Hi everyone, I'm Domiziana Catalano and I'm going to show you how to use CleverWeather with the LoRa protocol. There are two riot-os applications that create random values and send them through a TTN application using LoRaWAN protocol. Then there is a Python gateway that connects to the Thing Networks application using MQTT protocol, subscribe to the same topic as the one of riot-os applications. So it receives all the messages that arrive in that topic, and the Python gateway sends these messages to the Azure IoT Hub using MQTT protocol. Finally, there is a Node.js application that connects to the Azure IoT Hub, collects all the messages that arrive there, and let us visualize these messages in a local web application. An important part of this project is that the two riot-os applications are run on IoT Lab, which is an infrastructure facility suitable for testing small sensor devices. So in this case, I have used two different sensors that run on two different nodes that are located in Saclay in France. So this is how it works. I have two different terminals because my experiment runs on two different nodes. So I am already inside the TTN application and I have to set up the environment for the two devices, and I have to set up with these values on my devices, device EUI, application EUI, and the app key. So the gateway is already on and I can start publishing messages from the riot-os applications. So, it's quite slow because it sends messages every 15 seconds. And here we can see that messages are received. Now if I run the local web application, I can see that there are two devices connected, Roam2 and Foggia2. So here are the charts for Roam2 temperature, humidity, wind direction, wind intensity, and rain rate. And here are, one moment, the charts for Foggia2 temperature, humidity, wind direction, wind intensity, and rain rate. Thanks for watching and check out the tutorial for more information.